Now, what the Osun government should have done was to appeal that Court of Appeal judgment by going to Supreme Court. But they did not do that. So instead, they went about parabolating and instituting a lot of various legal cases. And the governor keeps on saying all sorts of things. He had a broadcast a few days ago, and he claimed that their tenure had expired. And initially, what the governor said was, they are not even supposed to be there. Now he's saying their tenure has expired. If you looked at the speech of the governor, you saw a lot of contradiction. So apparently the governor is even confused. He does not know what is happening. But what is clear is there's a valid court judgment of February 10, the Supreme Court, at the Court of Appeal, that was not appealed by the Osun and the PDP Accord people. So we don't need to start going back and forth. What is important is, at the moment, in the eyes of the law, those in the council are the legal occupants of the council. That's simple.
When you say there's a lot of confusion in terms of what the governor has said, and then them being valid occupants of the law, when does their tenure elapse?
Now, let me just briefly run through what happened. These people conducted the election. They were supposed to start their tenure October 2022. The governor came in November 27, 2022, and sacked those people, inching on a federal high court judgment of November 25th, 2022. So as a law-abiding people, we left. Ordinarily, our chairman and council were supposed to be allowed to explore the option of going to Court of Appeal and Supreme Court, but the governor sacks them based on the 25th November 2022 federal court judgment. So our councillors and chairman approached the Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal gave judgment February 10, 2025, allowing all the appeal, reinstating them back to the council. Now, the question is, when they were sworn in, they did not collect salary. They were not allowed to carry out any duty. The legislative arm, the councils were not inaugurated.